Oopsie.
Lately, been hearing I got crazy. They say I'm full of trouble, living in.